Listen, it's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another one. You already know we got to keep them coming back to back to back. I'm showing you guys how I installed this beautiful deep curly highlighted lace front unit, and we have an interesting shop talk. Now, before I get into the video, you already know I have to announce my monthly $100 giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below, and then leave your Cash App. One of my subscribers is winning $100 and all the products from this video. Good luck, y'all. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, UNice. They sent us this really pretty blonde and brown highlighted deep curly lace front unit. Now, this is not the first time I've been working with UNice. They've probably been on my channel, 5, 6, 7, probably 10 times. So if you guys want some really pretty but cheap wigs, hit up unice.com. So as you can see, I already attached her stocking cap. So I'm taking the cotton round and some sea breeze and wiping off the makeup so it doesn't get in the way of the glue from sticking. All right, you guys, so if you want your own bottle of liquid lace glue, the same type of glue that I use in all my videos, head to galaxygirlhair.com, and at the checkout, you can use the code liquidlace5 for $5 off. Also, on the website, we have our stocking caps and the pink hot combs, which are 40% off, so grab them while they're still on sale. Now, y'all already know I love pre-colored wigs because they are so easy, and it's like I like coloring wigs, but I only like coloring the blonde ones. Like if I can't do a regular watercolor dip dye, then it's just too much for me. So I really appreciate the pre-dyed wigs, especially the ones with the highlights, because highlights are not quick and not easy to do all the time. So these highlights came out really cute, and I'm not even sure how they do it. Like, is it a machine? Do they do it by hand? I'm not sure, but if they do it by hand, those are some talented hairstylists out there. So yes, the color is going to be done when you receive it in the mail, but one thing that you will have to do is do extra plucking, bleaching, and the customization to the lace, because the hairline does come like slightly pre-customized, but not to our liking. Like some people like their hairlines thicker to, I guess, preserve the integrity and the fullness of the wig, but some girls like to go in on the first install, make it look real scalpy, real fleeky, you know what I'm saying? So if you like that more scalpy look, then yes, you're gonna have to pluck it a little bit more and probably bleach the knots. All right, y'all, so in this video, okay, of course you already know I'm gonna have an interesting shop talk, because that's what we do in the shop. Okay, we talk shit, we gossip, we do all that stuff, but listen, whatever happens in the shop stays in the shop. Okay, this is shop talk. So today I'm talking to all my females that are dating, might be going steady with someone, could be the early stages, but we're going to be talking about when is it too early to be giving to your partner, to be buying them food, buying them gifts, completely spoiling them. And is it a good thing? Is it healthy, or can it be unhealthy? All right, so one thing about me, and I'm sure a lot of females can relate to this as well, and males, when I'm in a relationship, and even before, even when I'm just dating or I just like someone, I can be extremely giving. Like, all I want to do is cook for them, buy them gifts, like make their lives easier, and I just want to be like everything to them, right? But one thing I realized is I was doing this too early, and not even just that, but for the wrong people. So one time, right, this is probably, I don't know, maybe 5, 6 years ago, I was dating this guy. And yeah, we were talking and we were engaging in sexual activities. But the thing is, he was not courting me at all. And it's crazy because during this, I wasn't even thinking about this. That wasn't even one of my standards. But now that I think about it, girl, why was you taking this man places? Why were you having sex with him? And why was you buying him food and feeding him? And he wasn't even courting you or proving to you that he's willing to sacrifice anything to be with you. So in my younger years, I guess I thought that true love always prevailed and you didn't necessarily have to quote unquote test a man to see what he's willing to give up or what he's willing to do to be with you. But yeah, that ended pretty quickly. We ended up getting in an argument, right? Didn't talk for like a month, right? And one day I called him and we were kind of rekindling things a little bit. And I asked him, did you have sex with anyone else? And at first he was like, kind of scared to tell me. He was like, no, but then his voice was shaky and stuff. And I'm like, you can just tell me. I wouldn't care. I just want to know, just because. And he told me, y'all, and I went off on his ass. And I wasn't like I was heartbroken or anything. I didn't care that much, but it really showed me like, girl, you done did all this for this guy and y'all don't talk for a few weeks and he's already moved on. Yeah, you took a big L. I realized that whole time, and y'all, it was like a whole year. Okay, don't laugh at me, don't judge me, but yeah, I was in a situationship for a whole damn year. And I realized that, girl, this whole time you're trying to prove to him why you're a good woman and how you're loyal and how you're supportive and blah, blah, blah. But you never allowed this man to prove himself to you. And the funny thing is, he probably knew that I was a pushover. He knew that I was a doormat, because what female is just going to be dealing with a guy for a whole year and he ain't doing nothing? He ain't doing nothing for her. Oh man, y'all, I had to realize I was suffering from low self-esteem and I was choosing just horrible men in my life. And I was looking at myself like it was my debilitation and something was wrong with me. But in actuality, I truly wasn't loving myself or valuing myself. And after that, I had to learn how to have standards. All right, so another time I allowed this to happen in my life. This was an actual quote unquote relationship, right? But I was still doing too much and I was still letting guys get away with murder. So basically, this guy, we were really cool, we loved each other and things like that, but I still wasn't making him prove himself to me. I still wasn't making him do anything for me. It was like I was doing everything. I was the man and the woman and he was just skating by. Next thing I know, he's living with me. I'm paying all the bills. I'm helping his career. I'm literally helping put food in his mouth, clothes on his back, like I'm his mama. And y'all, when we broke up, I felt so used, abused. I let this man borrow so much money that obviously he could not pay me back. And it was just a horrible situation. And that was the biggest L I can say I ever took. All right, so do y'all remember that tweet that Cardi B posted? And it was like, a guy's gift has to be more expensive than yours. If he gets you a bouquet of roses, get him some weeds. I feel like that is really good advice to a certain extent, but you can't take everything so literal. But literally, like, you can't be spending and doing more than what a guy is doing for you. And let's say, y'all financial situations are not the same, which is pretty normal in this day and age. At least make sure that the guy is making energetic efforts to take care of you, to make you feel supported, to make you feel loved. Like my mom always told me, how to determine if a guy really likes you is one day just test him, right? Call him one day, say you're sick and say, you can't get out of bed, and watch his reaction. what does he do? Does he go out, get you some soup, come to your house, take care of you? Or does he say, all right, well, let me know when you're good? You know, sometimes you have to see what a guy is willing to do to keep you. So another telltale sign, let's say you're on your period, right? And you and your guy that you're dating can't have sex like for like a whole week, right? Does this guy want to still be around you? Does he still want to watch movies with you? Does he still want to cuddle with you, feed you, take you on dates? Or does he feel like you're completely useless when you're on your period? That right there is a huge sign of whether you should be putting your energy into this relationship or not. So yeah, that is just a few of my life lessons that I had to learn the hard way, okay? I had to learn that I don't have to prove myself to a man. I don't have to prove that I'm a good woman. I don't have to prove that I'm supportive or I'm this and that. Really, shit, I already know how I'm coming. I know I'm beautiful. I know I hold value, and I know I basically add value to everything I touch. So why am I proving myself to you? Like, if anything, we should be proving ourselves to each other, but for a female, it shouldn't be monetary until like a few weeks or a few months even. So yes, tell me what you guys think about this topic. Do you think I'm tripping and love is love and you should be giving from day one? Or have y'all been taken advantage of, scorned, and have a little bit of animosity towards someone that you think used you and manipulated you out your love, kindness, energy, and money? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so the no part is giving. Look at them baby hairs, hairline perfect, the slick back is so cute, highlights on point. Okay, period. Once again, thank you so much, UNice, for sponsoring this video with this lovely, deep, curly, highlighted lace front unit. If you guys want this exact wig, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, what are you doing? Go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all later.